About this item: balloon complete backdrop stand kit, 2 support tripod stand, 3 crossbar, 4 spring clamps, 4 backdrop holder, 3 balloon tape strips, 2 heavy duty water bag, 2 dot glue, 4 rolls of ribbon, rugby style, 2 balloon column topper cap, 1 carrying bag. It would be great arch backdrop stand supplies for your DIY party. Note: banner and balloons not included. Balloon professional backdrop stand for parties. With SoftTime party backdrop stand kit, you can assemble it as a balloon column stand, or as a square balloon arch, perfect for a birthday party, bachelorette, wedding ceremonies, baby showers, anniversary commercials, graduation decorations, kids candy party, friendsgiving, family gatherings, dinner parties, banquets, New Year, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, and other event decorations. Enjoy a happy time with your family and friends. Balloon widely applicable background backdrop stand. This metal backdrop stand kit is suitable for newborn photography, baby photo shoot, photo studio shooting, ad display, product display backgrounds, pet pictures, DIY photo booths, shooting videos, and game projection. And the portable backdrop stand can be detached and folded, with the carrying bag included in the package. It is very convenient to carry or store. Balloon adjustable and sturdy backdrop stand. SoftTime heavy duty backdrop stand equipped with 2 adjustable support tripod stands and 3 crossbars made of high quality aluminum. It is very durable and sturdy.